Candidate start. 5 seconds. Moreover, the impugned order recites that an inquiry was made regarding the genuineness of the junior high school certificate of 1952, and it could not be as certain as to from which school or which center the petitioner had appeared for the junior high school examination, and therefore, the certificate appears to be forged. Stop. It is on that basis that the respondents have disbelieved the date of birth of the petitioner entered in the junior high school certificate and have recorded that the date of birth entered in the primary school as 16/9/1933 is to be taken as correct. Stop. It will be seen that when the respondents could not make any verification regarding the genuineness of the certificate, they could not have come to the conclusion that such certificate is forged. Stop. Such cannot be a reason to declare a certificate as forged when the respondents themselves conducted the inquiry and could not verify that it was a forged or fictitious certificate. Stop. Therefore, the aforesaid finding in the impugned order is arbitrary and cannot be upheld. Stop. Para. Insofar as the date of birth of the petitioner is concerned, it is settled law that the date of birth entered at the time of entry into service will be deemed to be correct date of birth, and after the employee has served and retired, a correction for change in the date of birth are very clear, and a time frame has been given therein, which is in any case not more than 5 years, within which correction can be sought or made. Stop. In the present case, the respondent authority has disbelieved the date of birth of the petitioner entered at the time of entry into service, much after the petitioner had been retired, in accordance with the date of birth entered in his service record. Stop. Clearly, the same was not permissible in view of the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court. Stop. The impugned order, therefore, cannot be upheld where it is recorded that the date of birth of the petitioner should be read as 16/9/1933 on the basis of the primary school registered, and since he has continued to work on the basis that his date of birth was 16/9/1937, the salary paid to him after 36/1994 up to 36/1998 requires to be recovered from him. Stop. Since the impugned order cannot be upheld for the reasons given therein, it requires to be set aside and the recovery ordered from the retiral benefits of the petitioner cannot be made against him. Stop. Para. For the aforesaid reasons, the writ petition stands allowed. Stop. The impugned order dated 24/1/2000 within bracket annexure 1 bracket close stand quash stop. The respondents cannot recover the salary paid to the petitioner for the period 36/1994 to 36/1998 paid to him for the work which he has done during the period stop para. No order is passed as to cost stop.